So mortgage rates have just hit a multi-decade high of 8%. And I've never been busier as an investment real estate loan broker. So this is what I think we can expect to see in the short term in the investment real estate financing space. So investment real estate will continue to be a relatively predictable field. But if you're a primary residence mortgage broker, you're probably mostly working with people who are buying single family homes to live in. And when people can't afford to buy those homes because of high interest rates, then you're probably not making that much money as a mortgage broker. On the other hand, when interest rates are high, real estate investors actually see it as an opportunity oftentimes. They can swoop in and buy properties that normally they would have been competing with home buyers for. So that's putting money in the pocket of brokers that can offer loans in this space. So as mortgage rates rise and home buyers leave the market, investors can now get those properties at a better price because they don't have to compete with those home buyers who are also looking at the same property. So if you're a primary residence mortgage broker, this is all the more reason to look into brokering investment real estate loans, which is what I do, and I'll link my website below for you. Most investors also don't care as much about rising interest rates as home buyers do. Most property investors for rental properties use DSCR loans. And as I've talked about before in other videos, a DSCR loan is based on the rental income from the property and not on whether the borrower themselves can afford the loan. So they can still acquire the property even if their personal finances are not very strong. And once they do get the property, if the rates are higher, so their monthly payment is higher, if they want to increase their cash flow, they can just increase the rent that they're charging. Although mortgage rates have been on the rise for about 2 years now, hard money loans and the rates for hard money loans, at least with the lenders I use, have not actually increased that much. So it hasn't actually become that much more expensive for an investor to purchase a property, rehab it, and flip it, even in this high rate environment that we're currently in. So even though everybody is freaked out about the high interest rates right now, real estate investors are actually still very active in the market. So now is a really good time to get into investment real estate loan brokering. As I said, my website is linked below if you want to book a call and get started.